Hi, in this lesson, we'll talk about comparison operators and how they are used in programs. One way that we can ask our computer true or false questions is by creating Boolean expressions using comparison operators. Comparison operators compare the operands on either sides of them and decide the relation among them. In this example, the x operand on the left is being compared to the y operand on the right. Let's go over 6 useful comparison operators. To check the equality of two numbers, we use the equality operator, which is denoted by 2 equal signs. To check whether the value is greater than another value, use the greater than operator. To check whether the value is less than another value, use the less than operator. To check whether a value is not equal to another value, use the inequality operator, which is denoted by a tilde and an equal sign. This tilde symbol can be located on your keyboard right next to the number 1. To check whether a value is greater than or equal to another value, use the greater than or equal to operator, which is denoted with a greater than sign as well as an equal sign. To check whether a value is less than or equal to another value, do the same thing except use the less than operator and an equal sign. For example, we can write a program that uses comparison operators to check whether an inputted grade is passing. Let's say a passing grade is greater than or equal to 70. The expression 80 is greater than or equal to 70 evaluates the true, and true is printed to the console. Because Boolean expressions with comparison operators evaluate to either true or false, we can use them in if-else statements. This program determines if a given temperature is above or below freezing. The conditional will evaluate whether 25 is greater than or equal to 32. This is false, so the code after else is run and below freezing is printed. So far, we have only included one condition in our conditional statement. We can expand the use of an if-else statement by including more than one condition. We can include a second condition by using the words else if. If the first condition is false, then the program will move on to the next condition. And if that one's false as well, then the program will run the else command. Take a look at an if-else statement in action. Notice that you have 3 possible options: an option for A, an option for a B, and an option for everything else. Only one of these code blocks will execute. In this case, since the grade is a B, the first block of code is skipped, and the second block of code is run. The else section of this conditional is not read by the program since the second condition was already true. All right, let's try to put comparison operators to use in our programs.